Ballet stretching exercise, Cecchetti Ballet Grade 2 syllabus course, Jacklyn Dougherty. Face the bar, feet in first position combination. Counts 1 to 2, introduction, place hands on bar. Counts 1 to 2, lift the right arm through second position and turn the head to the right for the eye focus and place head on shoulder erect. Counts 3 to 4, turn head left on and then bend sideways looking in the direction of the bend. Counts 5 to 6, recover. Counts 7 to 8, head erect and replace the right hand down to the bar. Counts 1 to 8, repeat to the other side. Note: this is a stretching exercise. Appropriate the positions and the head learning in the theory section. Much love, Jacklyn Dougherty, Dr. Joni Dougherty, EDD.